Hello my friend, this is Mohammed Imtiaz. Welcome to my channel AutoCAD Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you that how to, for example, if you forget your copy commands is not working on your computer. For example, when you press CO enter, sometimes it's happen in the AutoCAD. It will not work. The copy command and mirror command and whatever we have another commands, whatever copy mirror copy paste, whatever it's not working, you can edit in Express tool. So I will show you now how to edit your commands. For example, CO enter its copy, right? And you can make CC also copy. MI it's a mirror, right? MM also mirror. You can edit your command from where I will show you now in this video. Please watch carefully. Okay, we can go to Express. Some This Express tool, from where you get this Express tool, when you are installing AutoCAD, if you install full of AutoCAD, you can get this Express tool also. If you just skip some features in AutoCAD when you are installing, you will not get this one. So careful when you are installing AutoCAD, Express tool should be clicked. Okay, installed also. So just let's start how we will edit our commands. Okay, just go to Express tool, then tools, then command alliance editor. Just click on that and you can get a dialog box like that. Now for example, you can see here I am going to add. Okay, CO enter its copy. Just first of all, just click here, select your copy command. See, there is a copy command came here. Okay, now you can edit it. C, because I already make it this one, so I'm not going to make, because I already before I just practiced before to show you this video, so I make it copy. So I just, okay, no problem, I will show you one more time. CO is the copy as normal in AutoCAD, but CV also we can make it our copy. Okay, add it. We already see copy and CV. Okay, apply. Yes, just to make it okay. Okay, no problem. Are you alliance have been saved this current? Yeah. Okay, just we can click like that, then just copy CV. I will show you CO enter first as normal in every AutoCAD. Okay, everyone know about this one. Now just type CV. See here, you can see here copy, select the objects. So CV also become our copy option. As normally before, I make it also. MI it's a mirror. Everyone know about this one. MI it's a mirror command. Just press N, enter. See, our drawing is mirror. But I edited here before. You can see. See, I'll go for add mirror. MI, that's mirror. Now I'll type MN, for example. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now MN is also become mirror. MIRROR. It's a select object. Is asking erase your source object. No, I need it. So see. For example, if in your AutoCAD some commands are not working, it's a couple of days before it happens to in my office computer, CO copy option is not working. I am using from here, from I searched how to edit this one and how to bring back our commands. So I got in the option in Express tool. So just when you are installing, please careful about these options. It's very useful options of Express tool. Okay, so you can edit your commands and you can make your own commands for the for using. Okay, I hope you liked this video. and do subscribe my channel. Please watch all my videos, then you can get some good method and tricks. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.